Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss another important topic of economics, that is law of variable proportions. So for easy, precise and simple lecture sessions, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Basically, the law of variable proportions examines the production function with one factor variable, keeping the quantities of other factors fixed, or we can say that it refers to the relation between the input and the output when the output is increased by varying the quantity of one input. The law of variable proportion states that when quantity of one factor of product is increased while keeping all the other factors constant, it will result in decline of the marginal product of that factor. We will discuss this in detail. We will discuss this law of variable proportions by taking following example. In this case, land is the fixed factor and labor is the variable factor. And total product or the total physical product is given. We will calculate the average product and the marginal product. So when the marginal product increases, so that stage is known as the first stage, and then in the second stage the marginal product starts decreasing and becomes zero, and finally at the third stage the marginal product becomes negative and the average product starts decreasing, but it is always greater than zero. When we plot these table values, we get the following figure. So in stage 1, the total product increases at an increasing rate. The average product also increases, whereas the marginal product increases and it reaches maximum. So this stage is also known as the stage of increasing returns. At the end of this stage, the average product reaches maximum at the point R. Then in second stage, the total product continues to increase but at a diminishing rate. It becomes maximum at point T, which is shown in the figure. At this stage, the marginal product decreases with increase in number of variable factors. Due to this, the second stage is referred to as the stage of diminishing returns. Here, the marginal product becomes zero, which is shown at point P. The average product also starts decreasing at this second stage. Then in the third stage, the total product starts decreasing. The marginal product decreases and becomes negative. The average product continues to diminish, but it always remain greater than zero. Therefore, this third stage is known as the stage of negative returns. So these are the three stages of law of variable proportions. Now let's also discuss that which stage is best for the producer from these three stages. A rational producer does not like to operate at stage 1 where the marginal product increases with an increase in variable factor. So producer will employ more units of variable factor to utilize the fixed factors. A rational producer will not stop at this stage 1. Similarly, the producer will never choose stage 3 where the marginal product of variable factor is negative. So we can say that the rational producer will avoid both the stage 1 and stage 3 for operating. So producer will choose stage 2 where both the marginal product and the average product of the variable factor are diminishing. So this was all in today's lecture session in which we discussed the law of variable proportions, and I have summarized this law with the help of this table. Thank you.